Open up, up here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Taija G, and we're about to make the famous McDonald's Big Mac sandwich, y'all. I'm excited just like you are. That's why you clicked this video. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get with this video. Okay, y'all, so we're making the special sauce first because you have to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. All you need is some mayo, dill relish, ketchup, French dressing, salt, sweet relish, garlic powder, sugar, and for last, you're going to need some white vinegar. Alright? You pour all of this in a bowl. The ingredients will be in the description box down below. So let's get started with that. Okay, so of course my special helper helped me make the sauce. Is that right? You helped me make the sauce?
Yes, yes.
Very good.
Yes.
So it smells exactly how it would at McDonald's. So go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Alright guys, so I have 5 buns here. 2 for me, 2 for my mom, and 1 for my son. And we're going to go ahead and season them up. Alright? Okay guys, so I covered both sides with seasoned salt, complete seasoning, and black pepper. I should say go ahead and get that favorite drink of yours that you plan on eating with this and put it in the freezer so it could be nice and cold. I've already done that. Mine is Pepsi. Yours may be Gatorade. I have Gatorade for my son. I don't know, whatever you like, root beer, whatever that favorite drink is, even water. Put that in the freezer, put it in the freezer, and just get that started. Okay, so go ahead and get your oil ready and all that stuff. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So you don't need oil really, just a little bit. So I'll put it in there. I don't think I use oil anyways, but anyways, I got the big pan now so I can make all at one time to kill some time. All right, so yeah. Just put this around a little bit. Okay. Alright. Just on there. And you don't have to put it on the high temperature either. I thought I could fit 5 in there, but I can't. Which sucks. Alright. It does say 1 to 3 minutes on each side, but I need a little bit longer, so I may do like 8 to 10 on each side. Or until it just turns brown, because I don't like medium rare, I like well done. Alright guys, so as those are finishing cooking up, we have to preheat the oven and lightly toast the bottom buns. I'm also going to toast the top buns because I like my buns toasted, but I bought these for the bottom and I bought these for the top because they have sesame seeds on them. And I couldn't find the other ones that had sesame seeds on them. I think they were sold out at the time. Yes? Okay, I'll be right back. So I'm pretty much going to flatten them down flat like that for the middle, and then the bottom's going to stay the same, but yeah, just kind of flatten it down, that middle one, and then the bottom's going to stay the same. And I'm also going to toast my my top bun as well. And this one is for my son, so we have 1, 2, and my son. All right, put in the oven for about, I don't know, like 5 minutes, or 5 to 6 minutes, or 7. Okay, so for this bottom, you're going to use the special sauce, some onions, some shredded lettuce, and cheese. But I will be using cheese for this one, but not my own. And then you're going to use your bottom bun. You're going to do everything the same, but with no cheese. Okay, so about the pickles, I like to add my pickles on the top. So we're going to add pickles on the top, all right? And there you have it. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Please let me know what other restaurant food you want me to try next. Okay? Please, please, please. I love you all. To the moon and back. Bye.